So hey guys, in today's video we're gonna make a project with this ultrasonic sensor. So here is pin out, 4 pins, first VCC, second trigger pin, third echo, and last one ground. So VCC is 5 volt and the trigger is this one. You can see it's T means transmitter. It transmits the ultrasonic waves from its trigger pin, and then its echo pin. Echo is the receiver pin which receives the data, and it's ground to the Arduino ground. And here's Arduino Uno. We are using a breadboard. Here we are using a HC05 sensor to print the data via Bluetooth to any Android phones. So after that we are using some jumper wires, a buzzer module, an LED. Let's move to the connections. Connected. As per as the code, we had connected the trigger pin to pin 13 and the echo pin to pin 7. So we connect like that only. So first pin is ground to the ground of Arduino, and the second is echo. Echo is pin is connected to the pin number 7, and the trick pin is connected to pin number 13, and the last pin, the VCC, is connected to 5 volts. After that, HC05 module. So we are giving it an external power supply. So I'm using this USB adapter. I'm just putting it VCC and ground. It's VCC and ground connected. The connection of RX and TX. Connecting the RX pin of Bluetooth module to the TX pin of Arduino, and the TX pin of Bluetooth module to the RX pin of Arduino. After that, we have to connect this buzzer module. Connect this also. We are connecting it VCC to the 3.3 volt of Arduino. And ground, and it's ground to the ground pin. And the output pin of Bluetooth module, we are connected to it to pin number 2 of Arduino. After that, we will connect this LED. So the LED is connected to pin number 6. So the positive leg of LED will go to pin number 6 of Arduino. Giving ground to the ground pin. Here is the full connections. Here the data which come from the ultrasonic sensors are sent to the Arduino, and that Arduino will print it on the HC05 module, and then HC05 module send the data to the mobile phones via Bluetooth. And so about the code now, so let's go to programming. Before going to programming, I will show you how it's work. If an object is sensed within 10 centimeter, the LED and the buzzers glows. So according to this, let's write the program. So here guys is the program of our distance measurement through ultrasonic project. So here let's move on to the program. So here I have defined the trigger pin to pin number 13 to and echo pin to pin number 7 and LED to 6 and buzzer to pin 12. So let's move to the void setup. In the setup code, I have just began the serial communication with Arduino. So for beginning it, this command is used serial.begin and the baud rate in which it works. So Arduino works on 9600 baud rate. So it's now to define the pin mode, that which pin we are using and for what functionality. So here we are using a trig pin, which is output. We are using it as output, and the echo pin, which will receive the data, we are using it as input pin. And after that it's LED, which is an output, and pin number LED and the pin number 2, which are as buzzer. And here's a buzzer we are connected as a output functionality. So let's come to the void loop. So here long has been created with duration and distance in which the data are stored. So long in long means means it's higher data are stored, means ज़्यादा data is stored. Okay, so let's move on to the void loop. So here a long is created for duration and distance. So the data are going to stores in duration and distance. So firstly I am what I am doing, I am just lower the trigger pin which transmits the data. Initially I am just clearing the trigger pin that it was low. So after that I have used a delay microseconds. So then after that I am just high the trigger pin. After that I am just delay microseconds. Just what is I'm doing here, just I'm just firstly I'm just off the trigger pin, then after 2 milliseconds microseconds I am again on the trigger pin and on it for 10 microseconds, then another off it. So after that in the long which we have created duration, a pulsing command we are used as the Arduino, as here it is on off, so it will generate a pulse. So to reading the pulse, a pulsing command is used. So the pulsing commands will read the echo pin, the input pin. Here we are using the echo pin as input pin, so it will read that only. So it is just on initially, it will also off. So here here is the data which are stored in the duration. So here we come for distance. So distance is storing this data. It's a simple formula of speed is equal to distance into time. So the distance will come as time by speed. So this one. So after that, here if statement is here. So if distance, the values which this in this stored, the values which are stored in distance is smaller than 10, then the following conditions we are going to perform. So here tone to 400 means a tone is been send it to the buzzer module, and after that we are digital write LED high. So we are just on the LED. So after that else command is used. So here we are just no tone command we are using and off the LED. So we are just serial printing the serial print command is used, just print the distance. Yeah, and just we are just want to printing the data in centimeter, as this speed, this formula we are taking it according to the centimeter. So we are displaying it according to this only centimeter. Here delay function is used for 500 milliseconds. So here the whole programs, let's upload this code. Hmm. Focus. Hmm. करते रहे।